coming at you with another workout video, and today we're gonna hit the chest press machine. This machine is pretty self-explanatory. When I first started working out, I didn't know what to do or where to start. So this is actually a good start for you. This machine actually focuses on your whole chest. You can actually adjust the weight right here if you would like. So I'm actually going to start off with 60 pounds because that's a weight that's comfortable for me, to a weight that's comfortable for you. All right, you can also adjust the seat. So if you're a little bit taller, you can bring your seat down as far as you want. If you're shorter like me, you can bring it up as high as you can. All right, so with this machine pretty much does all the work for you. Go up, squeeze, retract the muscle. Keep it tight and controlled. That's the most important thing. Alright, so like I said, you want to make sure that you squeeze at the top and keep the form right. This isn't an exercise that I do all the time, but it is an exercise that I do incorporate in some of my chest exercises. But that's pretty much it. Comment, like this video, subscribe. Wavy.